We are monitoring ecosystem health of bird species from environmental and anthropogenic factors around land property.
So we got here about 5:30. We need to have all the nets up running through this canyon. We need to get them up before dawn.
Basically, we set up 12 nets at each site and we band whichever birds that we catch.
Once we get the nets set up, about every 30 minutes we go and check them.
We free net them. It's called mist netting. We take every and any kind of bird that we find.
And we get the birds out, untangle them, put them in a bag, and get ready to process them.
We're at a MAP station, which stands for Monitoring Avian Productivity and Survivorship. What we're doing is we're capturing birds and banding them with a uniquely numbered band and releasing them. We run this site every 10 days, and over time we're going to look at the population structure, the population demographics, to try to get a good guesstimate of what's going on with this population. And being that this is a nationwide protocol with several hundred to 1,000 banders across the country using this exact same protocol, that makes the data comparable, so we can compare what we're seeing here with regional data, other operators here in the state, in the Southwest, across the nation. And the reason we're here in Sandia Canyon, it's our largest wetland complex here at the laboratory, and what we're looking at is, are there impacts to populations of birds from landfill operations or past landfill operations? That's the main thing we want to try to answer with this study.
Yeah, you are a pretty boy.
We tend to hire wildlife students, that way they can get good experience on our projects here.
I'm gonna look for that big snake.
And we can also have good field help that knows what they're doing in a wildlife situation. Like we just had a bear in camp this morning. Everybody was totally comfortable with it.
To actually be outside with animals, I think that's our favorite part for all of us.